In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix dates on your videos and photos. First, open PhotoRex and click Add Files. Select the video you want to modify. For this example, we're choosing this MP4 of a puppy. Once it's loaded, highlight the file and click Edit Date. You'll see a preview of the video along with the current metadata. Now, simply adjust the calendar. We'll change this one back to May 26, 2019. Hit Save, and you'll see the date taken new column update instantly. You'll notice it's now marked as manually edited. To finalize the changes, go to Export Files, choose your destination folder, and click Save. Now, let's verify the change. Open your folder in Windows File Explorer and switch your view to Details. Right-click the column headers, select More, and ensure Media Created is checked. As you can see, our video now reflects the exact date and time we just assigned. This works for images too. Let's add a batch of photos. You can edit them one by one just like before, choosing the specific month, day, and year. But for a real time saver, you can batch edit. Highlight multiple files and click Edit Date. Select Auto Derive from File Name. This is a great feature if your file names already contain dates, like October 3rd, 2025. Click Apply, and PhotoRex instantly extracts the correct timing for every file in the list. Back in File Explorer, you can see all our photos now show the correct date taken in the metadata. Everything is now organized and accurate.